Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. If you're a regular subscriber, welcome back. It's great to have you here. Today I'm going to share another very simple, quick and easy vegan recipe with you. It is a nut-free, plant-based recipe for a substitute for Parmesan cheese. So if you're looking for something that you can sprinkle over your pasta or to flavor up your salads, then this is the recipe for you. So let's get into the recipe.
Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
Okay, so because we're not using nuts for this recipe today, I'm actually going to use a very great high protein ingredient that is perfect if you're following a plant-based diet, and that is hemp seeds. So I've got a cup of hemp seeds to start with, and to the hemp seeds I'm going to add some nutritional yeast flakes. So I've got about 1/3 of a cup of the nutritional yeast flakes going into that also, and I'm just putting this into my Tri-Best blender. It's a small blender, and then I'm just going to pulse it up. But if you wanted to grind this up manually or use a coffee grinder, for example, then they will work perfectly well also. But today I'm using the Tri-Best blender, and I'll leave a link to that below so you can check it out if you're interested in getting this blender into your kitchen as well. Then next up I've got 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds, and then just a few herbs and spices going in as well. So I've got 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of Italian mixed herbs. These are dried and they're primarily thyme and rosemary, so if you can't get a mix, try to get the thyme and the rosemary because they add fantastic flavour to this. And then if you're salt free, you can stop there and pulse this up, but I'm going to add about a teaspoon of coarse Celtic sea salt, and I don't use much of this on my meals, so that'll just give it a little bit of extra flavour. Instead of adding a whole heap of salt, everything in here is going to blend really nicely and then add that flavour at the end of a meal that I'm putting together. And as you can see, these are simple pantry ingredients that you can just have on hand and ready to go. Throw them together and you have something that is going to really make your vegetables and your salads and your pastas and any meals, for example, a quinoa dish would taste amazing with this. So just think about the types of ingredients that you keep on hand in your pantry to flavour things up. So now it's time to pulse this up. Now what I like to do when I'm pulsing this is have the sunflower seeds towards the top or closer to the blade. So depending on what sort of blender you're using or coffee grinder, try to put those sunflower seeds closer to the blade because they're going to take a little bit more to grind up into a more powdery form. And with the hemp seeds, I like to have some of them still a little bit whole, so it gets a little bit of different texture throughout the cheese mixture. And then once it's all pulsed up, just give it a good shake, mix all of those ingredients together, and then just store it in a jar with a screw top lid and you're good to go. This is so tasty. In fact, I'm just going to give it a quick taste test. It smells so good. Oh, it's just such a perfect blend. Please give this a try. Let me know what you use it on because it's so delicious. And why not join me in my Facebook group where you can share some photos and ideas and chat to everyone else in the group about what you're using this on. Yum, it's delicious. Give it a try and I look forward to seeing you for the next recipe. Bye for now. It's good.